You come see what the Easter Bunny brought you?
You want to go see what the Easter Bunny brought? No, you don't want to go out there? He brought you a prize. You want to come see your prize? Yes. Come see your prize from the Easter Bunny. Ready? You want me to carry you out there? Okay. You have a prize. You wave at your daddy?
You have a prize?
Daddy, you want to go get your prize from the Easter Bunny? Okay, let's go see what he brought you. Let's go see what he brought you.
Yeah, let me scoot around in front of you.
Look, your dogs are excited too. You ready for your prize? Yes. You have a prize from the Easter Bunny. Do you see it? Look right over there. It's your prize from the Easter Bunny. You want to see? Yes. Here, hop down and go see what he brought you. What did the Easter Bunny bring you?
Happy.
There's Abby. What's in there? Oh, look what he got you. Oh. You want Daddy to see it?
Look, you roll it back and forth.
He brought you a vacuum so you can clean.
They bring you two crazy dogs.
And a baby.
And a little sister.
Oh, look at your vacuum, Lizzie.
Heather, you got your Easter Bunny outfit on too.
Look at your vacuum. Oh, do you like it? Say, move first so I can vacuum. You want to do it?
Are you bringing it to the carpet? You can do it in here. You bringing it to the carpet?
You want me to help you do it? No?
Just bringing it to the carpet.
Good job, Lizzie. Good job.
Somebody needs to clean up that room, huh, Lizzie?
She's vacuuming. Perfect, Lizzie.
Bye, Lizzie. You wave bye-bye? Bye-bye.